Dear friends, hearty welcome to all of you in our channel. Today we are going to discuss about a mathematics chapter, and the name of the chapter is real numbers. What? The name of the chapter is real numbers, and some categories of numbers make the real numbers family. So first we have to understand what is natural numbers. Natural numbers are those numbers that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and up to infinity, whatever. All of these numbers are natural numbers, and this is denoted by n. We denote this family of natural numbers by capital N. Now, if we include the number 0 with natural numbers, then the family of these numbers will make the family of whole numbers. That is, if we include 0 with natural numbers, and the numbers will be called whole numbers, and that will be denoted by W. And to remember these two numbers with a very easy process, I can give you tips. And the tips is, if we call the number now NOW, where N is the family of natural numbers and O, that is 0. If 0 is included with natural numbers, then that will be whole numbers. That is, NOW is the key word to remember those family of numbers. Now, the next one is integers. If we include the negative numbers, that is the numbers which are less than 0, that is a -1, -2, -3 with whole numbers, then the new family of numbers will be called integers. That is, integers may be with a negative sign, maybe with positive sign, or 0. So these are integers, and integers are denoted by the capital Z. These are integers. Now here is the question: is a 0 a natural number? No. The answer is no. 0 belongs to whole numbers family. So this is not a natural number. Now the remaining two number of families are rational numbers and irrational numbers. Now we have to understand what are rational numbers. Rational numbers are those numbers which we can express as P by Q, that is as a fraction. And we know that every fraction has two parts. One is a numerator and the another part is denominator. And in case of rational numbers, the denominator will never be 0. That is, if we can express the rational number as P by Q, then Q will never be 0. That is, Q not equal to 0. That is rational numbers. For example, 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 6, that is 6 by 1, because every number there is a 1 as its denominator. So these are the examples of rational numbers. And to remember in very short, we can say that rational numbers are infinite and recurring. That is, their decimal expansions are infinite and recurring. So the numbers whose decimal expansions are infinite and recurring, those are rational numbers. Now what are irrational numbers? Irrational numbers are those which we can express in fractional form, because in this case the irrational numbers are infinite and non-recurring. Infinite and non-recurring. Their decimal expansions are infinite and non-recurring. And examples of irrational numbers may be root 3, root 5, root 7, etc. And the decimal expansions of irrational numbers are infinite and non-recurring. So the 5 categories of numbers, that is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational number and irrational numbers. All of these 5 categories of numbers make real numbers. That was the whole concept of real numbers of class 9 mathematics chapter, real numbers. So that's all for the day, dear friends. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel, because your one like and one subscribe will make us enthusiastic to bring new videos before you. And our channel will try to solve all of the problems related to this chapter in our next videos. So please be with us and stay with our channel. We shall meet once again. Thank you so much. Stay well and keep others well. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.